Hello students, myself Aratna Grover, Senior Faculty Member at Informatics and Course Edu. Now dear students, today I am here to share a very important information with you people regarding Banaras Hindu University, BHU, yes. We were all waiting for the examination dates. Again, now the examination date is out for the online exam of BHU, that is 26th of August 2020. So be ready, start your preparation and buck up for BHU 2020 examination. What is the paper pattern of BHU this year? There will be 120 questions in this set of paper and you will be given 120 minutes and they will carry 360 marks, right? How these 120 questions will be distributed is, from 120 questions you will be getting 80 questions of mathematics and rest 40 questions will be of reasoning and quant. Majorly reasoning will be there, that is the logical reasoning and DI. So हमें किस चीज़ पे ज़्यादा फोकस करना चाहिए? अपने पुराने एक्सपीरियंस के अकॉर्डिंग अगर हम देखें तो मेजरली बनारस हिंदू यूनिवर्सिटी मैथ्स में मेजरली +2 लेवल का मैथ ज़्यादा अच्छी तरह से पूछता है और उसके बाद अगर आप रीजनिंग की बात करो तो लॉजिकल डिडक्शन, डीआई, ऐसे चैप्टर्स कभी मत छोड़ के जाइए. लॉजिकल रीजनिंग है, डाटा इंटरप्रिटेशन है, these chapters give you a very good exposure and very good marks. They will fetch you very good number of marks in BHU examination. So अपनी तैयारी को उसी तरीके से आप मैनेज कीजिए कि आप लोग किस तरह उस 120 क्वेश्चन को आप एक अच्छे टाइम में कर पाएंगे, वो भी विद एक्यूरेसी. कभी भी नेगेटिव मार्किंग मत कीजिए because obviously negative marking is there in BHU. But again, focus your paper in such a manner that you should do those questions which you feel they are correct according to your knowledge, right? हमेशा याद रखिए कंपटीशन एग्जाम में अगर आप बैठे हैं, obviously जिस प्रिपरेशन से भी आप बैठे हैं, always mark the correct answers, avoid negative marking, right? Now बात आ जाती है कि हमारे पास BHU का एग्जाम तो आ गया 26 अगस्त का, 120 क्वेश्चन है, 120 मिनट है, 360 नंबर का पेपर है. Now how, after getting the result, where you will be getting a seat? Because there are two campus of BHU. One is a university campus and other is a Rajiv Gandhi South campus. In the university campus, you are having 57 seats and the fee structure of the university campus is very nominal according to government norms. Whereas other campus is Rajiv Gandhi campus, and in this campus you will be you have to pay a government fees plus 60,000 extra fees per semester in the Rajiv Gandhi campus. So in all there are 57 seats in the main campus and 25 seats in the Rajiv Gandhi campus. So Rajiv Gandhi campus is, you can say, a type of a self-financing sector जहाँ पर कि आपको 60,000 per semester extra pay करना पड़ेगा, right? So again, start preparing for your BHU 2020. It's very near. 26th of August is a date for the online examination. Obviously the paper will be on the online mode, right? And very soon the university will be taking certain decisions how this online paper should be conducted on, or which platform they will be taking this paper. So any doubts, any queries, you can call us on the given numbers, or you can contact us through our Facebook page Informatics India. You can contact us through our YouTube channel Informatics India, right? Apart from this, dear students, for the BHU preparations, we will be putting up various mock papers, a set of important questions on our app, Android app and iOS app, that is Course Edu. So download our Course Edu app, which is Android as well as iOS, to get a very good set of papers which will be very, very helpful for you to clear BHU 2020, right? Apart from this, we'll be putting up various previous year papers of BHU free of cost on this Android app, right? So till then, stay safe.